Alright guys, welcome back to a video on my YouTube channel. Today, you guys asked me some questions and I'm about to answer them, and I actually want to do this weekly because, you know, people are interested in some stuff and they get a better insight and you guys get to know me better. I share some dope stuff. Some of these help you out, you know. But overall, this was on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, please do that right here. Lord Splashman, that's my Instagram. But a lot of people ask me questions. I'm not going to answer all of them because I don't want it to be too long. Or actually, what I might do is I might upload part 1 here and part 2 on my second channel. So definitely go check it out. My new channel, which is not like e-commerce business related, it's just like personal life, business, motivation, all that good stuff. So definitely go check that out. But for now, let's start with the question. Alright, so this is a question that I get a lot, and you know, I got a lot of questions. I'm not going to post a screenshot, I'm just going to put like the text right here. But the first question, and a common question that I get, is you still in school? What school are you going into? Are you going to go to college? And the answer for that is yes, I am going to college, or university as we call it in Canada. I'm going to Ryerson University. So if you are in Ryerson University or you see me around downtown Toronto, say what's up to me, you know, ask me some questions for sure, I'll help you out. But yeah, that's where I'm going. I'm going to Ryerson University. You might be wondering why I'm still going to school. You know, a lot of people are against college or school or post-secondary education, but I actually lie. I'm going there for experience, networking, and you know, I will definitely learn some stuff that I might apply to my business, or just there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff, and I'm just gonna grow as a person and as an individual being in college. So that's why I'm going. And you know, that's it for now. I'm not gonna say anything else, but yeah, I'm still going to college. I'm still in school. But if you see me downtown Toronto or in Ryerson, definitely say what's up. So the next question is single favorite book. So there's actually a bunch of videos about books on my YouTube channel, but a recent one that I read is You Need More Money by Matt Monero, and also these books that I actually got in audiobook form, and I also have the physical copy. It's called Obstacle is the Way and Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. Dope books. They actually changed my life. At least Ego is the Enemy did. And also, you know, You Need More Money definitely changed my mindset about money, which is dope. And also, there's so many other cool books, you know, the typical How to Win Friends and Influence People. What else changed my life? There's so many more. I legit made a video on books that changed my life, but I would read You Need More Money, which is one of the dopest books ever. If someone asked if you could tell yourself one thing when you started dropshipping, what would it be? And that would be to really, you know, focus on finding that winning product and don't focus on the stuff that don't matter, like the homepage and some little stuff that I care too much about. And to be honest, I wish I was focused on finding that winning product and doing a lot more product research and doing Facebook ads properly. And that's why you need a mentor, because my mentor is the person that taught me Facebook ads properly. But you know, that's one thing I would teach myself, is to focus on things that make me money. Someone asked, are you considering getting into real estate? And the answer to that is definitely, that's something that does interest me a little bit. I don't really, you know, study it or stuff like that, but definitely once I get, you know, once I accumulate more cash, I'll definitely look into real estate or something like that, right? Real estate is pretty cool. One of the oldest type of jobs out there. My dad used to actually do real estate as well, so it will definitely be cool to do real estate overall. But I don't know much about it to talk to you guys about it, but definitely interested. So someone asked, how can you be more productive and not lose focus throughout the day? Because you know, we have social media and all that. How do you not lose focus? So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I struggle with social media addiction as well. I'm always on my Instagram, and you know, I rationalize that by saying I make money on Instagram, but which I do, but then again, sometimes I use it for the wrong stuff as well. So to answer that question, what I would do is, honestly, what I do sometimes when I'm working is give my phone to my friend Alex, and he doesn't give it back to me until I'm done my work. You can go to the extremes like that, and sometimes you have to go to the extremes because you know, we are so connected to our phones that at the end of the day, if you're always on it, you're not going to get work done. And I catch myself always being on it as well. So you got to do something like that to really get work done, and also having a structure throughout your day, which I'm struggling with right now. But once I go back to Toronto, I'll definitely get that going. But having a good morning routine, having a good structure, and also going to the extremes such as giving your phone to your friend. How long have I done ecom for? Someone asked that, and that is a year and a couple of months. I think I started June, or around June and May. That's when I started drop shipping. I've heard about drop shipping 2 years ago. I didn't start till June 2017, I believe. Someone asked, should I get a job to have consistent cash flow? And that's a hell yes. please get a job. One of the biggest mistakes that it all worked out, but this was a mistake at that time, is I quit my job a little too early because I went all in with ecom, and it worked out eventually, but I think having that extra consistent cash flow would have saved me a lot of headaches and stress then. Someone asked, what motivates me? You know, I don't really rely on motivation for me to get my work done, but some things that motivate me are my family, my goals, and just, you know, just seeing this stuff out there and just being grateful. Like, being grateful actually really motivates me as well, and my friend K-Rock helps me with that a lot. Someone asked, what is my biggest goal in life? And my biggest goal in life is to impact thousands of people's lives like the way my mentors did to me, and also own an NBA team. And I'm not trying to be on some Gary Vee shit, but I always wanted to be, you know, in the NBA, and I knew I wasn't good enough, so now I want to own an NBA team. All right, I'm not trying to copy Gary Vee. I don't give a shit about that. Just like, I just want to own an NBA team. That would be the coolest thing ever. Someone asked, how do I link up with Tanner and Hayden? Hayden I've actually known before dropshipping and before YouTube through a mutual friend. We all started this around the same time. And Tanner I just met through Instagram, and I linked up with him because Tanner, I did some course shit for him, and Hayden, we were working on some stuff together, and I went out to Newport, chilled with them, learned a lot. It was dope. But yeah, I've known them, you know, I've known Hayden before dropshipping, and Tanner I just met through Instagram. Someone asked, how do you network with young entrepreneurs in the same industry as you? Some of them would be just making connections as much as you can, and eventually your network will be so big that, you know, a lot of people will know you. Also, be someone that is known in a niche. So I'm known as the email guy because I made myself like that, so a lot of people fuck with me because of that. Networking, honestly, is just, you know, having mutual connections and taking the initiative to make connections as well with other cool people. How do I network nowadays is, honestly, like, it depends. You really have to be someone that's that is a mutual friend of one of my cool friends for me to network with you. But, you know, go to events, just talk to a lot of people, and just network with the little people, and eventually you'll be there with the big dogs. And I'm not there yet, but this is just what I'm trying to tell you. Alright, that's it for part 1, guys. If you want to check out part 2, check out my second channel. It's there. Subscribe to it as well. It's non-business and e-com related, but you will really like it because you will grow as an individual if you watch the videos on that channel. But part 2 is there. I'll see you guys. Have a great day. Follow me on Instagram at LordSplashman. Ask me more questions there. Comment below on different questions that you might want me to answer. I'll do more of them for sure. But until now, guys, have a great day.